guys, welcome back to the episode of Tuned Engines. On today's episode, we're going to be painting the brake calipers on our 71C10. So let's go ahead and start this video. Alright guys, so as you saw in the last video, we went ahead and got some new rims for our 71C10. We went ahead and got some Cooper Cobras and some Vision Legend rims. So as you can see, it changed the look of the truck a lot, but upon doing that, I saw one of the ugliest things of my life. That my brake calipers were all ugly and rusted. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that really quick. And how do you fix a rusty brake calipers? We should just go, you become a racer, a race-inspired car enthusiast, and you get some spray paint and paint it. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna go ahead and paint our brake calipers in the truck, but we have to go ahead and buy the spray paint first. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so we're here at Home Depot. Let me go ahead and show you what the colors I'm thinking about getting. The colors right here, as you can see. And I do not want to go with red because red's really common. I want to go for like a blue, but let me see. I'm probably thinking about that blue right there because I want it to be like a light blue. Those are too light right there. So yeah, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and get this light blue. Let me go ahead and show you. So go ahead and grab it, and that's like basically the color. I think it'll look pretty cool. It's a gloss one too. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one. And now we have paper, sandpaper, and also tape, so we should be good with that. We're just gonna go ahead and get the paint right now. So let's go ahead and get back to the house. All right guys, so we're actually back from Home Depot. I actually went ahead and stopped at AutoZone as well, just because on the right front tire we're actually missing one of these like bolts for the tires, and I think it looks a little bit ugly. So I went ahead and stopped by and got a lug for the wheel, and also so we can put our new lug nuts in. So and also have some sandpaper, different grits, and I'm gonna use blue in the front, and I'm probably gonna end up using like a black spray paint in the back because the back ones are drums and the front ones are calipers. We have my Ugga Dugga machine so we can take off the tires. We have the spray handle for so we don't get like paint on our fingers. And I also went ahead and made some freaking decals so we can put on the front calipers. I'll go ahead and show you. I went ahead and made these, and now you can see it says Tuned Engines, and it has it's in cursive and in gold because we have nothing but top tier trucks. Alright guys, so we already have the truck secured and everything, so it's not going to go anywhere. So now we're going to go ahead and take off the rim. Then we're going to go ahead and take off the lug nuts and the rim. And this is the spot where I was telling you all about that we have to go ahead and replace the lug nut anyway. So, oh yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and use a chrome socket just because the normal ones, like the actual deep impact sockets, they're too thick and they won't fit like on the wall. So we're going to go ahead and use one of these. It should be fine though. Take off the I'm not sure how well I can see, but these brakes look super new. Like they look really chunky and they have a bunch of life left. So that's a big plus for us because that means we don't have to do any brake work in this truck for a while. Anytime you call, I'm here for you. Everything I am, anywhere we are, I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you. Alright guys, so we basically got done sanding. So now we're gonna go ahead and get our spray paint. So we're gonna go ahead and shake it, and make sure we get maximum coverage and like no like weird sprays. And hopefully like my cool spray painting abilities come into play right now, so we can make these brake calipers look cool. So let's go ahead and start spray painting. We just got done putting on the first layer, and as you can see, it looks super freaking cool. Let's go ahead and show the people of YouTube world how it looks like. Ooh, shoot! Alright guys, well, as y'all saw, like it's like a really cool blue, but actually not. This is actually called a sail blue, in case you want to become a racer like me and spray paint your calipers, so y'all can know what type of color this is in case y'all like it. And also guys, you might be asking, hey Carlos, like isn't that spray paint gonna fall off with like heat and everything? Well, let me go ahead and tell you about some personal experience. Back in my old days when I was a racer, I actually went ahead and spray painted some brake calipers red, and that was like let me check, like 6 years ago. So, and like it's been holding up super duper great, and I was just using some rust-oleum because you can't go wrong with rust-oleum. The only thing is we're gonna be racing this truck, which we don't know still. Maybe one day we will have to upgrade to some heat resistant paint. But for right now, this will do for the car shows. Let's keep on spray painting. So we're gonna go ahead and do second layer now. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess we're gonna do one more layer. As you can see, it's pretty much all covered. I'm probably gonna come back with like a little paintbrush and like do like the small stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and take off all the paper. It should be pretty much dry. Take it out. Oh yeah, like that. That looks really cool. Oh, that looks cool! Alright guys, so as you can see, this is how it looks. It looks super freaking cool. It looks a little bit bumpy just because like there's like I guess like a serial number for the brake calipers, but that's fine. You can't really tell. But as you can see, it looks super freaking cool. We got our own brakes, tuned engines, brakes. We're gonna hand build them ourselves. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the wheel back on now. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the tire back on our new freshly painted calipers. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and see how it looks like. As you can see, this is how it looks like behind the rim, and it looks super freaking cool. I'm not sure if y'all can see the tuned engines with this camera, but you can kind of see it. And you can see that like it looks really cool on the truck now. Some blue calipers. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the other side. Now I got my Ugga Dugga 5000. We're gonna go ahead and take off these rims. We're gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing we did as last time. We're gonna go ahead and sand it down and then paint it, and we'll be good. Then we can move on to the back. Alright guys, and if you're gonna do it yourself, just know that like if you want to get really good results, you have to do a bunch of small layers at a time. So do a layer, wait like 10 minutes, come back, do a layer, wait 10 minutes, come back, wait, do a layer, 10 minutes, come back, and that's how you'll get the best results. Just keep that in mind. Another daily tip from Tuned Engines. Alright guys, now with that out of the way, we can go ahead and put our wheels back on. We're gonna go ahead and put our brand new Cooper Cobras and Legend wheels back on. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to go watch it, because super cool. So we're gonna go ahead and put these wheels back on. So we're gonna go ahead and start the back rims now. Let me go ahead and take off this. And I'm thinking that for the back we're gonna do a black, because it's a drum and it's not a caliper like the front. go ahead and put our wheels back on.
Take the wheel, let's go, I'll follow you. Say my name, I'll do anything you wanna do. On the run, we're chasing headlights. The road destroyed.
Alright guys, as you saw, the truck looks way more better with those painted brake calipers. We're probably gonna see if we can leave them like that and see how they look after a while, but we just wanna make sure they look better. Maybe in the future we'll get new brake calipers with different colors, but we'll just wait. Right now, it's just to make it look better for right now, and I like how it came out. I like the blue, just because the red was too common. Or maybe we'll do yellow next time, we'll see what happens. But for right now, I like the blue. I think it makes the truck look way more cooler. But as always, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so we can help this channel grow, guys. And as always, guys, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you all next time.